Welcome to Module 3 of Generative AI. In this video, we'll explore four powerful AI systems: SecureGPT, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI for natural conversations and content generation. Copilot is by Microsoft, that is AI powered assistant integrated into Office 365 and Windows to enhance productivity. Gemini is Google's AI model for multimodal tasks such as with text, images, and more. SecureGPT is a secure AI assistant designed for privacy focused and enterprise grade AI that support PDF, text, images, audio, video, and more. Let's explore these platforms. Here are the links to sign up for each of these platforms. All these platforms provide free access as well as enterprise or paid access. To sign up with these systems, for example, for ChatGPT, go to the URL chatgpt.com and click on the button sign up. You can sign up with your email, or if you have an account with Google or Microsoft or Apple, or even you can log in with your phone. So there are multiple ways to sign up and start using the free version of ChatGPT. To sign up with Microsoft Copilot, you need to have a Microsoft 360 account, 365 account, or a Microsoft account. For example, for to sign up, go to sign up or sign in here, click on sign in, and here is create one. No account, create one. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can use that. And to create the account, you can use your phone number or you can use email and follow the on-screen instruction. To use Gemini, you need to sign up with Google. If you already have a Google account or Gmail account, you can use that, or you click sign in and then create new account, and account for personal use, for child, or for work or business. So let's say, for example, we do for personal account, you just follow on screen instructions and you can create Google account and use that account to log into Gemini. To sign up with SecureGPT, go to securegpt.acure.ai, click on register, provide the email and password, click continue. You will receive an email with a verification link. Once verified, you can use your email to sign in. To sign in, you will need to come back again to securegpt.acure.ai and click on sign in button and use your email and password. We will now explore how these four platforms compare with each other and what unique features and functionality they provide and what the overlaps look like. To do so, we're going to ask this interesting question to ChatGPT itself to compare against all the other three platforms. I have copy pasted an instruction here to create a table that compares the features of these four platforms. And in this report, it should include the role-based access and certain key features that all the four platforms offer. Let's see how they compare against each other. So ChatGPT has recently released where it actually shows you what the thinking process is doing behind the scene, and how it's actually coming up or arriving at the result. So here is the answer from ChatGPT in each of the items that it is comparing against. So role-based access, ChatGPT provide partial. It provides role-based access with the enterprise version of ChatGPT only. It does not provide role-based access to the SaaS version of ChatGPT, while SecureGPT has role-based access. Microsoft has as well. However, Gemini officially has not confirmed, or at least the ChatGPT does not have that information. Similarly, team-based access, again, for enterprise customers only, but SecureGPT has full team-based access and role-based role management, team management. And Microsoft Copilot uses Microsoft 365 or Active Directory to provide the team-based access. Google provides this feature with workspace-based collaboration and admin controls. Upload any type of documents and ask questions across sessions. So this is a limited feature in ChatGPT. Let me explain what this means. That means that you upload a lot of documents, and in ChatGPT, when you upload the documents in a chat session, you ask question, the answers will be generated from those documents. But if you switch and you start a new chat and you want to ask questions from the previously uploaded documents, ChatGPT will not give you the answer. However, in secure gpt, this feature is provided, and therefore you upload documents and you can ask questions from any chat session, and you can ask questions from any of the uploaded documents that you have previously uploaded. This feature is partially supported, especially with Microsoft 365, and this capability may depend on Microsoft Graph or Power Platform. However, for in Gemini, this feature is unknown, at least to ChatGPT. Um, Creating custom AI or agents or assistant. Again, this feature is, as it says, partially provided. What it means is that you can create custom agents by making API call to ChatGPT. That means you need to know how to program or code, or at least implement custom APIs. SecureGPT does provide creating custom agents out of the box. Power B- the Copilot provides this through a through an extension, and they call it uh, Copilot or a- Agent Studio or something like that. So, and Google provides this, to create custom AI agents. Audio and video support, that means retrieve content, QA, question answer generation, and it generates table of content. This feature is limited in the sense that you can give voice input, but that's about it. It does not have a native support for video analysis at this point in time. Secure GPT has a strong support for audio and video based analysis. In other words, you can upload audio or video and it will generate the table of content for you, and you can actually analyze the contents of video and audio. In Copilot, this feature is partially supported. Similarly, in Google, this feature may be supported. Extract relevant images from PDFs and display them. This is a very limited a supported feature. However, in Secure GPT, this feature is supported. It's very important to understand what this feature means. That means if you have a PDF file and the PDF contains embedded images, for example, diagrams, instructions, or images and whatnot, And when you ask questions, not only you get the answers, but also you get the relevant images extracted from the documents and displayed on the UI. So you some visual instructions that you want to actually look at, you will get that information in SecureGPT. But that information may not be available in other platforms. Private hosting. Only enterprise hosting is possible. Only for enterprise customer, private hosting is possible for in case of ChatGPT, and that too only through Azure, OpenAI, or ChatGPT Enterprise with dedicated instances. So that means it's actually dedicated instance they will create, but you cannot install ChatGPT in your own data center. However, uh, SecureGPT is designed for both private cloud, local data center, as well as available on the cloud. Uh, Microsoft provides private hosting based on Microsoft Azure Cloud. That means it's still in the cloud under Microsoft within Microsoft environment, but you cannot install Copilot in your local data center. And Google Cloud, it says likely because you can actually use Google Cloud instances to do a private hosting, but you cannot install locally. So from this perspective, SecureGPT stands out because you can install SecureGPT locally within your data center, and others are not possible. Compare different types of documents. This is not side by side analysis, I think it added here, but just compare different types of documents, or you can ask questions from different documents, and that feature is partially supported in chat gpt, but secure gpt has a full support of asking question across multiple documents and from multiple chat sessions. This feature is partially supported mainly by integration through Microsoft 365 and other Microsoft platform. And this feature is also available in Gemini, but it says likely through workspace integration. SQL support. Across the board, all platforms support SQL support. However, SecureGPT also supports calling external external database through SQL, and that's a key feature of SecureGPT to be able to uh, connect to external data set or databases and be able to query those databases from SecureGPT interface. While that is not feasible in case of ChatGPT, however, Copilot actually provides that feature through Power BI or Microsoft apps. Um, so with this, I think this comparison gives an idea of different unique features that these platforms provide, and this helps us to assess or choose the right platform for the right purpose or right usage. Now, what I will do is I will put the same question to Gemini, and let's do Copilot first. We'll do the same question to Copilot and see how Copilot answers the same question. And as you see, the answers pretty much matching with what ChatGPT answered, with some minor differences. Let's ask the same question in Gemini, and Gemini gave the answer, but it struggled in rendering the answer correctly. And this happens very often in Gemini. It may be a very temporary thing, and I'm sure they will fix it. But Gemini struggle to render the answer in a format that we asked it to generate. AI is continually advancing. So are these platforms. As new features are introduced by the developers, the comparison here may change over time, reflecting the rapid evolution of the technology. With this, we will conclude this video. And in the next video, I'll show you how to work with these platforms and build some useful use cases.